Credit repair might just take a lot less time than you would think. I've had so many clients come to me with bad credit, and they thought it was going to take years to fix their credit and get their scores back up to where they could get approved for anything. But after looking at their credit reports and seeing that there were actually many things that I could pretty quickly delete or fix, and having the clients add some positive items that they could quickly put on, improving their credit score actually took a lot less time than they anticipated. And they were able to get approved for credit cards or loans or mortgages much more quickly than they ever had anticipated. So if you want to find out for yourself how quickly it can take for you, the first step is you've got to contact me, call me, email me, send me a message. I will review your credit reports and I'll give you a free credit repair analysis and estimate, and I will get you on the road back to good credit, maybe a lot quicker than you would ever think.